Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous sunny Henderson, Tennessee today. Beautiful day out. Great day to show you this nice little truck right here. That's a 2011 with all the right stuff. You're going to love this truck, guys. This is an F550 to start with. So for its biggest, I don't know, light duty, I guess, maybe something like that. And that is a crew cab. Running boards on. It's got a super nice box on back. I'll get to that. Tires are good. Nice front end on it. Notice there's no bangs up on it. You got your hooks right there. The air dam still down there. Everything pretty much the way it's supposed to be, right? Nice little truck. Tires on it, very decent. They'll go quite a while yet. Well, full-length running board. This has got the turn signals and the mirrors. I kind of like that. As I say, it's a crew cab. That is a marathon body right there, and that's kind of a special one. This is from a movie production company. So that's got the big granny little thing right there, ladder rack or whatever you want to do with it right there. It's got the big headache rack right here. These are fiberglass. These are not wood. Those are fiberglass, so they're not going to get the slivers and the chips and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, they are removable, and you're going to love this. Oh, this is a California truck. So you guys up north, yeah, the paint might be scratched off of it, but yeah, there's no rust holes in there anywhere. Look at the hinges. Even the hinges right there. Look how clean that thing is. That is remarkable. That's the way it is. There's one of these on both sides. So you got two underbelly storage compartments. And it's got tie downs everywhere. The rear tires are just as good as the front tires. It's got tie downs everywhere. It's really kind of a cool little thing right here. 2,200 pound lift gate on back, and that's got the nice heavy duty steel diamond plate on it. It's a unique tailgate. I'll show you that in a few seconds too. Inside, you got all kinds of these tie downs right there. There's 6 of those in there. And there's a couple of extra little holes right here. There's one there and there's one up in the middle. Here's what those are for. These 2 racks right here. You just lift that up, take it back there, set it in that end set. Take this one out, take it up, set it in that set right there, and now you've got a full-length ladder rack. What's cool about that is, if you don't need a full-length ladder rack, you put them back up there, and you're not beating your head on it every time you get in and out of it. I love that. As they say, fiberglass, solid, all the stakes are there. Nice, solid little truck. This is running the V10 gas motor in it, guys. So you don't have to worry about the power strokes. You don't have to worry about the DEF. You don't have to worry about that stuff. This is kind of a cool little setup right here. This is a very unique tailgate on here. This is MBB is the brand of it, 2,200 pound. And it does about everything you can imagine. So yeah, it goes up and down just like every other tailgate should. But there's an extra button here. And here's what this extra button is for. Okay, you push the center button and that activates the tilt. Now you set that down. How cool is that? Now when you go up with that, you just push the center button, push the up button, it'll level first. Then you can go up with it, and you don't have to worry about your pallet jack or whatever sliding off the back of it. So there's a couple of other things that are kind of cool here. So what that'll do then is if you tilt that up, it becomes your tailgate as well, right? Keeps all your stuff inside there. But here's something that I think is pretty cool. If you ever have to go to a loading dock, okay, you back up to the loading dock. Oh no, their loading dock is a little lower than most of them. Well, then just leave the tailgate right there and just adjust it. You can go down, and if your loading dock's a little higher, you can go up. So it gives you a lot of functionality that most tailgates don't have. It is so cool. I just absolutely love them. Nicely thought out. This is a movie studio truck. Those guys never know what they're going to haul. So they have 2 5/16 hitch right there. This one's even got the Pintle hitch system on it. And you got a standard, what is that, a 2-inch I guess it is, receiver hitch on the bottom back there. This thing is loaded to go anywhere. Look at those nice cylinders right there. No leaks, no drips, no errors. Nice, nice, nice truck. Super, super clean truck. This is a 2011, as I said. And look, it's a crew cab. You know what? We're going to maybe start... Didn't realize the radio was on that loud. Oh, the radio is functional, obviously. But for some reason, the light doesn't light up. So you just, if you don't like that station, you just seek it just like you do anything else, find the one you want. But it doesn't light up, the AM, FM works, all that kind of stuff. Hey, there's a CD player right there as well. Says it's phone ready, don't know, whatever it is. I just wanted to turn that down because I didn't need the competition with the noise. Hey, nice truck, power windows. 6 passenger seating, 3 in back, 3 on front. You got a little lever right there, and if you just lift that lever, you can raise that up and then have storage down there if you need to. Those came with the truck. You can have them. You're supposed to have them, so there you go, you got them. That other side flips up just like that. You know how that goes. Full-length running boards, that's nice. Look at these doors. There is no rust on this truck. That is a California truck, as I said. Here's your power windows, power door locks, mirror control. The seats are reclining. This one here got just a little bit of wear on it there. There's no holes or anything, but you should just be aware of it. Outside of that, nice solid little piece right there. Someplace there's going to be a release. There you go. That'll fold up out of the way, give you 6 passenger seating. You got the control for the turn the lights, turn the power off for the lift gate right there. Tilt wheel is right there. This is powered by the V10 gas motor, as I said. Plenty of power, plenty get up and go. And dashboard is pretty simple actually. It's got the sound system I showed you, CD player, all that. Air conditioning feels really good today. It's kind of warm out there. There's an aftermarket brake controller right there, and of course beverage holders right there, glove box over there. Solid. I don't see any chips in the windshield anywhere. Nice truck. Let's see here. This truck, they do not have cruise control. Oh, I'm sorry. Cruise control. It is right there. I'm sorry. Usually the buttons are over there. Has cruise control here, tilt wheel down there, set up different things for the dashboard. So right now she's running. Notice there's no check engine lights, and there's your odometer. It's only got 156,000 miles on it. She's ready to work, boys. Nice, straight, clean truck. 2011. It's got all the right stuff. Super clean, rust-free California truck. Running. I know you can't hear it, but it is running. You have to trust me on that. Nice little truck. 6.8 V10. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, power locks, windows, tilt, cruise, AM, FM stereo, CD player. Just an incredible box on back with the 6-way power lift gate, the removable ladder racks, extended tow mirrors with the turn signals built into them. Man, you can't beat that truck. That is the truck right there. If you need that truck, you give me a call. I want to show you one more thing. I think I might have forgot it over here. Right here. When I was showing you the lift gate, I was using those buttons right there. But you've also got a removable control right there. So if you're not using it, like right now, take it out, put it in the cab of the truck so you don't forget and drive away and have it fall off. Nice truck, man. This thing's got it all. You can't find them. You can't find anything that's any more versatile than this. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. HD Trucks and Equip. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I appreciate you looking.